Hello students, welcome to the topic of preparing stud with nut according to standard size. At the end of this exercise, you shall be able to prepare the blank size to form external threads using a die and drill through hole to form internal thread using a tab.
Materials and equipment: stud, nut, thread cutting or threading tool, thread lubricant or cutting oil, vise or clamping device, spanners, wrenches, deburring tool, lathe machine. Process. Task 1. Stud. Check the raw material. Hold the job in a 3-jaw check, keeping about to 40 mm outside. Face the end. Turn diameter 10 mm, maximum length, chamfer end to by 45 degrees. Reverse the job face to correct total length. Turn 10 mm, chamfer end to into 45 degrees. Hold the workpiece on a bench vise at 90 degrees vertically, projecting 30 mm outside. From threads by using M10 by 1.5 die. Process may repeat other side. Task 2. Nut. Check the raw material size. Hold the job in a 3-jaw chuck. Face the one end. Reverse and hold the job in a 3-jaw chuck. Face the other end, maintain a total length of 8 mm. Chamfer the edge 3 by 30 degrees. Center drill to the work. Drill through hole to diameter 8.5 millimeters. Countersink the drilled hole using countersink bit. Form internal thread by M10 tap using taps and tap wrench by supporting tailstock.
In this video, we learn about how to prepare the blank size to form external threads using a die and drill through hole to form internal thread using a tap. I hope you have understood all the concepts and exercises. In our next video, we will bring you another wonderful concept. Till then, take care.